The New Jersey Center for Teaching and Learning presents Ecology, the Biosphere. Table of Contents. Ecology, the Biosphere. The topics that we will cover in this unit include levels of organization, climate, ecosystems, and flows of energy and matter. Levels of organization. Levels of organization. Previous units showed the hierarchy from atoms to eukaryotic cells. Atoms form molecules and compounds, which form cell components. Some of these include membranes, RNA, DNA, etc., and then these form the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, with organelles. Levels of organization. The hierarchy continues from eukaryotic cells to organisms. Eukaryotic cells with organelles form tissues, which form organs, then organ systems, and complete individual organisms. Levels of organization. We are now ready to examine the hierarchy from organisms to the biosphere. Organisms form populations, which form communities, which form ecosystems, and then the biosphere.
This picture shows several organisms, one squirrelfish in red, two cleaner wrasses, the little blue striped fish, and some coral. A population is a group of organisms of the same species living in the same place at the same time. Blue and gold snappers are found in the Pacific Ocean from Mexico to Ecuador. Although they are all the same species, a group of snappers that live off the coast of Ecuador is a different population than a group that live off the coast of Mexico. A community is composed of all the different populations of species that live together in a given area. This deciduous forest community is composed of many different populations: trees, deer, fungi, insects, birds, and bears. An ecosystem is all the interacting living, or biotic, and non-living, or abiotic, things in a physical area. Biotic factors, living parts of an ecosystem; abiotic factors, non-living parts of an ecosystem. Biotic elements of an ecosystem would include all organisms, prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Abiotic elements of an ecosystem could include sunlight, carbon, rocks, water, etc.
Ecosystems. The biotic and abiotic factors in this ecosystem include biotic factors being deer, birds, bacteria, grass, butterfly, mushrooms, and abiotic, the sun, rain, and wind.
All terrestrial and marine ecosystems blend into one another to form the biosphere. Climate and ocean currents interact with ecosystems. The biosphere extends from the deepest ocean sediments to the upper atmosphere, wherever any living things can be found.